Why isn't he eat? Mr. Goosey's full.
Come on, Goosey.
Okay, let's get you some
Come on, Goosey.
Come on, Goosey.
Come on,
No, those are
Goosey.
chickens. Those are chickens.
Come on. Eat.
They're true. Here.
He's pretty brave. He's pretty brave. He'll
Don't
come all the way up.
You can't.
I want some.
You can't make them too small either.
I want some salad.
What do you want,
I
honey?
want some salad. I want some salad.
Just a minute. I don't want. Watch out for my cup of coffee. Let me grab that. Okay, go ahead.
Boom, boom.
Are you okay?
Boom, boom. You're okay.
Are you okay, Cookie?
That was a